Okay, here we are. Today is the 22nd of October. I took two trades today. I took one on NQ, one on ES on two different accounts. The one I took on NQ hit full TP for made 2% on my 50k account. The other one I took on a 100k account got stopped. Not a break even, but I took it off early as we made an SMT with my target. So I only made $300, not full TP, but you know, not too bad. So coming into the day, right, for me, it was pretty clear. Okay, what I was looking to see, to be honest, is this daily gap get tapped, take previous day low, and then go to all-time highs. As you can see, we didn't do that, but I still made money, right? Because we had enough of a move in my direction. So on the 4 hour, coming into the day, we're in this very tight range, right? We're in this range here. We've got, I believe, yeah, we've got previous day low here, right? The daily gap obviously is also in line with that. So that's the previous day gap and the daily low there. Also, we've obviously got fair value gaps here. We've got an hourly here, and then we've also got a 15-minute down here, which we do also tap into if I mark that out. So, and as you can see on the 15-minute, we're in a bit of an accumulation. So what I was looking for coming into the day was an A, M into our key levels, and then a D higher. So we come in 9:30 opens, we come down, we tap, we actually make an SMT too. This was a very textbook day, right? Perfect day. So an SMT with previous day low and the daily gap, right? So we got a strong SMT there. We then obviously have all the other things. So we've got hourly gap, 15-minute gap, previous day low, and a daily gap, and SMT, right? So exactly what I want to see. Now all I need is an entry. So I took two entries. Like I said, I took one on NQ, one on ES. On NQ, the clean entry to me was this 2-minute IFVG. This here, as it was obviously, there was a 1-minute one, but there was also a 2-minute one that closed at the same time anyway. Obviously, yes, we had this bearish gap here, but I was confident in my draw. And anyway, if you wanted to go break even there, you probably would have been fine depending on the fill you got. But I didn't go break even just to that gap because I didn't need to. Because yeah, it's a high conviction trade. So it was stopped just below there. And then just target is M15 high. As you can see, hits nicely. I think stop was below there actually. Yeah, 1.6R, that was it. That hits nicely. I went break even somewhere up here after we tapped like this order block, I think, but that doesn't really matter. So the trade on ES that didn't play out that I took on my, I'll show you executions quickly for this one. Wrong account. There we go. So that's the executions for that one. Okay. Now the trade that didn't fully play out. So I don't usually trade ES, but honestly, this trade appeared first and it looked a lot cleaner because it was a smaller gap. It was a 1-minute gap and it was nice displacement. And yeah, we got it the minute before we inversed the 2 minutes. So we had that. So we closed the gap. I take my long and then we push up nicely. I actually added a contract here once we tap down into this order block. But we then just kind of chop, and then yeah, like I said, once NQ takes this high and creates the SMT, this trade is no longer valid. The idea of the ERL, of the IRL to ERL, is no longer valid, so I just closed it out. So I only made $300 on there. Unlucky, should have obviously took them both on NQ, but obviously, you know, ES could have played out nicely, so I could be saying it the other way around. It just depends. But yeah, pretty nice day. Like I said, I wouldn't have really been looking for shorts today because I was just bullish, right? Obviously, we didn't end up being bullish on the day, but I was bullish coming into the day. But if I was looking for shorts, what I can see is we obviously come down, tap this 15-minute gap, and then the pretty obvious short is just this 1-minute gap, right? Close below it, stop, you know, there or there. That would have almost got tagged, but it wouldn't have, or just say stop there, and then just target the low, right? 3R, obviously go break even like here. Would have been fine, didn't tap break even. Obviously ran a lot lower than that, but you know, obviously wouldn't have been any of that. But yeah, I don't mind having a bearish day. Obviously it's good being how high we are. Hopefully it sets up some nice longs tomorrow. Tapping into this, you know, daily order block and this daily volume imbalance. Hopefully we want to move higher tomorrow, but we'll see. But yeah, so the 100k accounts basically a break even. And then the 50k account, I'm up 4%. So I just need another 2% to get that one passed. And yeah, good trading day today. Traded well, and we'll see what else this week can give us. All right.